What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I am your girl Tonyanicole, and you have tuned into my bomb ass unboxing world, where today we will be unboxing FabFitFun Summer Edition, per you guys' request, of course. So if you guys want to see what I got in my final FabFitFun, don't move. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome, guys, or welcome back. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and I'm so happy you clicked that button to watch your girl unbox FabFitFun Summer Edition. Yeah, we should have a little fun on this one, guys. Before we get started, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all tremendously. I do have a drink. This is a, what you call it, cranberry vodka? Vodka and cranberry, yeah. So let's take a dance break and a drink break. Okay, so as I explained in the title, this is my last FabFitFun, guys. I did go ahead and cancel the subscription because I didn't like the previous months. And my choices for this month was surprisingly, well, this season, quarter, was surprisingly really good. So now I'm kind of like, I'm gonna see what else I got in the box to determine if we will resubscribe or nah. So yes, baby, without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo, a dance break and a drink break. Hey. And it is Memorial Day weekend. I hope you guys have a lot planned. I know some of us have like a 4-day weekend. So I hope you guys are gonna do something for Memorial Day. What are y'all gonna do? Let me know down below. All right, so this is the box this season. That's what it's looking like, giving real summer vibes, boo. I haven't opened this Big Daddy yet, but let's get her cut open. All right, got the box cutter. Oh, girl, I ain't even tell y'all nothing about FabFitFun. I am slipping and tripping. So this is a seasonal lifestyle box, guys. Each box will be $49.99 each season. So like summer, winter, fall, and spring. Oh, girl, but yeah, summer, winter, fall, spring. That's right. Yes. So you'll get a box each season, and it's $49.99 each season plus free shipping, or you can do the annual subscription and pay $179.99 and save you guys some money. You're supposed to receive 8 to 10 products in here, guys, full-sized premium products, and it's supposed to have a value over $200. Your seasonal subscribers will only be able to customize 3 products. Your annual subs, like myself, was able to customize 5. I do have a link down below, guys, to save you some money. So now that's enough talking. Let's get this box right here, boo, on and popping. Hey, let me take another drink then. Hey, hey. All right, we cut her open. Girl, this thing is heavy. Did I cut her open? There we go. Ooh, child. All right. That's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like on the inside, guys. I am going to quickly take everything out so I can set this box down. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, guys, each season they do send us with this little booklet right here. And it has the products in here as well as prices and like choice items. So I will go over that with you guys as I go through my little box. So yes, baby, let's start. All right, we also get all the time a lot of coupons and stuff. This is from Nourish. They give you a little coupon. What else? We get something from FabFitFun, which is $15 off of your first FabFitFun. Oh, they give us some cute little stickers, y'all. That is too cute for summer. And then the HelloFresh coupon. Do y'all say coupon or coupon? I say coupon. Okay. All right, so let's put all this shit to the side because it's just piling up. Now, I'm going to try to remember the ones that I chose, and I'll tell y'all, but girl, y'all know how my brain can be. So I'm going to open my little booklet and look down at what I got and go from there. So the booklet right here, these first 2 columns was customization number 1. I wanted this outdoor basket because we do a lot of picnics and stuff, but it wasn't available. So I chose the next best thing, and it is this right here, baby. And this is from Society 6, and it is a wine chiller. Now, anybody Anybody that knows me knows your girl loves wine. Oh, I love wine. And nothing is better than a nice cold glass of wine. So when I saw the wine chiller, I was upset that I didn't get the bag, but that was okay. So it comes bubble wrapped like this. And here it is, guys. Look how beautiful. This is definitely something I could use when I am on a picnic. I can put my little, I guess you put a little ice in here or something first. I don't know. But I'm going to take this with me for sure. So I'm looking through my little booklet here. I don't see no prices, girl. Like, that is not good. Because now I'm going to have to look up all these prices. Oh, God. Well, this was the first item that I chose, this wine chiller. And I'm very excited about this. Very, very, very happy with this. So customization 2 was these items here and these up here. Now, I did want the cooler bag, but that wasn't available either. So I chose the Sonic Bluetooth speaker right there. Oh, isn't it so cute? Now tell me this is not perfect for like outdoor dating. Like if you're outside, and I'm talking when I say summer, like at the beach, or if you do picnics or little small gatherings, baby, you need a radio. Everybody, oh shit. Girl, I'm dropping everything. Everybody loves music. And look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's a Bluetooth little speaker. They have the little buttons on the top, on and off on the back right here. It does come with this little wrist strap as well as a charger. So you can plug it into your car or wherever. I love this. Oh, I love this. And this is, oh, well, I don't have a price, but this was my second choice item. Love it. Okay, we're going to make this go a little quicker, y'all. So the next item that I chose was the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. Now, I have seen reviews about this sunscreen, and I was very excited because a lot of darker skinned women were trying this sunscreen out, and it didn't leave like a white cast over their face, which I love, and I'm happy that it was available because as soon as I saw this, I jumped right on it because I do want to try this out. Y'all know we need to wear sunscreen daily, and I'm all about the sunscreen, boo, and especially when it don't leave me ashy and casty looking. So, yeah, this is what it looks like right here, my love. Let me know if you guys have heard of this brand. You get 50 milliliters of product in here. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen, SPF 40. So, yes, I am happy to see that and happy to use it, especially when I'm going on these little vacations. Girl, we're supposed to be going to the Grand Canyon. Y'all pray for me. And we probably go like to Alabama, Mississippi in the next couple weeks. So I hate the sun. I hate the beach. Oh, I break out in this wicked rash on my arms, guys. It is not a good look at all. Moving along. Oh, I'm parched. So for my next customization, number 4, I chose this right here. And these are the TF Publishing Brain Teaser and Activity Book Bundle. Now, y'all know when the older we get, more seasoned we get, our little brain don't function the same. So I love things that will keep my brain going. When I saw these, I was like, okay, Tanya, boo, you need this. So yes, this one is the Puzzles and Activities book. I love this, y'all. I absolutely love the fact that it has little puzzles in it like that. I love it. And just little puzzles throughout here. I don't know what this means, but some little things just to keep your brain going. I love it. And then this one is really cute. And inside of this one, they have like this type of puzzle right here. Oh, your proudest moments and achievements, like just to write. So when I'm laying outside under the tree, I could just be doing this, enjoying myself, sipping on my wine and listening to my music. Girl, they set me up for a good summer, right? Absolutely. So these two I am very pleased with, guys. Very pleased with. Alrighty. And then my next customization, number 5, I chose this Soar Tech Elevated. It's a clip-on selfie ring light. So why I chose this? Well, festivals are going to be going on now back in New Orleans. So I'm so excited for that. And a lot of them are at night. So, I need to be able to take a good selfie so I can post on Instagram, right? Yeah. So I needed a selfie light. I really didn't need it, y'all, but I wanted it. And this is a cute little one. This one is from Soar, as I told you guys. S-O-A-R. Oh, it comes with batteries already. Great. So you pull it out. This is what it looks like right there. It has 2 little batteries, and it goes, the batteries go in here, and you would just open it up like that, clip it to your phone, you know, where the front where the camera is, and that way you can video with a ring light. How cool is this? Definitely need this, definitely. So for customization number 6, I chose this right here, which is a Art & Cook Citrus Squeezer. I chose this fruit butter lip mask, and I chose this pineapple ice tray. Yes. So let me show you this one first. Now, I love to eat like oranges and lemons, and I love to juice them. So this would be perfect when I'm making my little summertime drinks with my little grapefruits and stuff, girl. I've always wanted one of these. And you just put your fruit right in there, squeeze it, and there's a little some little holes right there where you can get all of that good juice out to make you a good cocktail or whatever you want to make with it. And then I chose, it came like as a bundle, guys. They have this fruit lip butter, which I can always use a lip mask from Seraphine right here. And it's just like in this little tube like that. I could always use that. And then this right here, which had me the most excited. It's the weirdest little things, I know. It is like a pineapple shaped ice mold. So what I can do is I can take and put like my shots with my little pineapples in it, vodka shots or whatever, and make me some nice little refreshing summertime drinks. So I was very kind of excited, not really for this, but definitely for these two. I was happy to see it. I was happy. Absolutely. Is that all? Okay, and that's it. I guess they counted the bundles as 3 products. I don't know. I guess the bundle was considered to be 3 separate products. Okay. They also had this in the box, which is Hydration Made Easy from Liquid IV. It's supposed to be a hydration multiplier. 1 stick will multiply your hydration. So I think that this is like a little bonus extra for us to try out. Yeah, that was our last product. Let's go do a recap really quick. We're going to do final thoughts and we're going to be done. We received this wine chiller, this sonic Bluetooth speaker, the citrus squeezer here, pineapple shaped ice tray, a lip mask, some sunscreen, this ring light, and these 2 puzzles. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products we received this month, guys. Final thoughts is I really thought that this season's box was really good. I think that FabFitFun did an amazing job at focusing on things that you actually need in the summer. I'm kind of a little bit on the fence about these 3 being considered like a bundle. I wish they didn't offer this, but maybe something else, like maybe a drink shaker or something else to go with this instead of the lip mask. I didn't really get any makeup products this time. I just got stuff. I chose stuff that I know I would use, like these little puzzle books, the ring light, the sunscreen. So I thought it was a really decent box this season, guys. I am sorry that I canceled, but I won't be resubscribing. Not right now. I need to see some spoilers for the upcoming seasons and I'll decide then. But I thought overall it was a pretty decent box. If I had to rate it, I would probably give it like a 3.5 to 4 on my scale. So I thought it was pretty damn good. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Let me know if you still get FabFitFun. Do you believe the hype? Do you think that it's worth it? I mean, past months I would say no. This month I think yeah. So that's all that I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you would consider subscribing before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I have been off of social media for a few days, guys, but I will be back soon. And yeah, that's all I got, guys. Enjoy your Memorial Day, and I will talk to you guys on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Bye, my loves.